Kuru, the laughing death. Kuru is one of the strangest and most terrifying diseases humans ever discovered. It doesn't use bacteria. It doesn't use viruses. It kills with a single, misfolded protein that destroys your brain from the inside. Victims start laughing uncontrollably, then shaking, then losing control of their body. Once symptoms start, survival is almost impossible. Kuru spread in a tribe in Papua New Guinea through ritual cannibalism, specifically eating infected human brain tissue, turning the brain into a sponge until the nervous system completely collapses. Smallpox, the virus that killed 300 million. It spreads through the air, one breath, one cough, and you're infected. Inside the body, it hijacks your immune system, replicates explosively in your blood, and fills the skin with painful, fluid-filled blisters. At its peak, smallpox killed 3 out of every 10 people. It blinded survivors, scarred their bodies, and erased entire civilizations. The only good news? Smallpox is one of the only viruses humans actually eradicated. Necrotizing Fasciitis, the flesh-eating infection. This is the disease everyone fears when they read the name. You get a tiny cut, a hidden bacteria slips in, and within hours, it begins destroying your skin and muscle. Inside the body, it releases toxins that kill tissues faster than doctors can save them. Most patients need emergency surgery, and some need amputations. Even then, survival is never guaranteed. The scariest part? Anyone can get it. Cerebral Malaria, the brain killer. Normal malaria is deadly. Cerebral malaria is horrifying. This version goes straight for your brain. It makes infected blood cells sticky, blocking tiny blood vessels that supply oxygen. Inside your skull, your brain begins to swell. Then come the seizures, the coma, and without immediate treatment, the fatality rate can reach 90%. It can turn a healthy person unconscious in under 24 hours. Naegleria Fowleri, the brain-eating amoeba. Every summer, this makes global headlines. A tiny amoeba hiding in warm lakes can enter your nose while swimming, travel up your nerves, and start eating your brain, cell by cell. Symptoms begin like a normal headache. Days later, most patients die. The survival rate is around 3%. The only protection? Avoid warm, stagnant water entering your nose. The Black Death, the plague that ended 200 million lives. In the 1300s, one disease reshaped the world. The Black Death wiped out 1/3 of Europe in just a few years. It spread through rats, fleas, and human contact. Inside the body, the plague bacteria releases toxins that destroy tissues, explode lymph nodes, turn skin black, and shut down organs one by one. Lassa Fever. Lassa Fever starts like a normal fever, but inside, it tears your body apart. The virus attacks your blood vessels and organs, making them leak from the inside. That's why patients bleed from the nose, gums, even the eyes. It spreads through food or surfaces contaminated by infected rats. And once it enters, it multiplies insanely fast. Up to 20% of infected people die, and with no cure, missing the early symptoms can be fatal. CJD, a single misfolded protein, enters your brain and forces every healthy one to copy its broken shape. People lose memory, personality, movement, sometimes within weeks, and there is no treatment. Once symptoms begin, it's almost always fatal. But unlike Kuru, there is no laughing, shaking, or emotional outbursts. It does not come from cannibalism. It can appear randomly in absolutely healthy people.